The chicken may arrive like this. I will prepare chicken leg pieces. For the marinade of the chicken leg pieces, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Ingredients needed are turmeric powder and salt. Finely mix. Red chili flakes are used to add spice to various recipes. Salt. What else do you add? Spicy. Add a few drops of oil to the mixture carefully. Mix well. Set aside. Add the yogurt. Then okay, now this is for our marination. We have let it marinate for 2 hours. This is our seasoning. Thank you for watching. We have already marinated the chicken with black pepper. It's ready. It's ready. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening now. Thank you. We will carefully apply a small amount of oil to it. After that, we will go to the stove. The other side needs to be cooked.